So children, now I will begin with the exercise 4.1. See page number 87, question number 1. First sum is Pawan Medical supplies medicines. On some medicines, the rate of GST is 12%. We have to find out here the rate of CGST and SGST. My dear children, I have explained you in my explanation that the rate of CGST and the rate of SGST is same. Here the GST rate is given. It is how much? 12%. So first you will write here rate of GST. Rate of GST. How much it is, children? It is 12%. We have to find out here rate of CGST and SGST. So as we know that rate of CGST is equal to rate of SGST. These both are always same. This is given 12%. So therefore rate of CGST is equal to 12 divided by 2. Got it? 12 divided by 2. So how much you will get here? 6%. So therefore rate of CGST is equal to rate of SGST. Okay, see I told that GST is divided into CGST, SGST, then UTGST, and one more is there, IGST. We will talk about these two, children, CGST and SGST, and these two are always equal. So here rate of GST is 12%. As per the question, we have to calculate the rate of CGST and SGST. This is 12. So these two are the half of this because both are equal. So rate of CGST is equal to 12 divided by 2, which is equal to 6%. So rate of CGST is equal to rate of SGST, which is equal to 6%. This is your question number 1, children. Now see question number 2. What is question number 2 here? On certain article, if the rate of CGST, now this time the rate of CGST is given, it is not GST. On certain article, if the rate of CGST is 9%, then what is the rate of SGST? So simple problem it is. And then you have to calculate what is the rate of GST. Right? So just see here. Rate of CGST is equal to rate of SGST. Rate of CGST is given. Rate of CGST is given how much? It is 9%. So therefore rate of SGST, it is also equal to 9%. And we have to calculate what? The rate of GST. So the rate of GST is double of this or double of this. So rate of GST is equal to 2 into rate of SGST or CGST. So this is 2 into 9%, which is equal to 18%. Simple problem. It's a very simple, children, and it can be asked you for 2 marks. So just see this. Now I will do third sum. Now question number 3, children. See what is given. Messrs Real Paint. This is the name of that shop or company, you can see. Sold 2 tins of a luster paint and 2 tins, children, 2 box you can see, of luster paint, and taxable value of each tin is rupees 2800. Means we have to pay tax on each tin, and the taxable value of each tin is given rupees 2800. If the rate of GST is 28%, then find the amount, not rate. Rate is always you will get in percentage. Here you have to calculate the amount of CGST and SGST, both should be equal. Charge in the tax invoice, means in the receipt what amount shopkeeper is going to write. Got it, children? So first what you will do here, because the rate of each tin is given, so with the help of that, first you should calculate the total amount for 2 tins. So first you write here the rate of each tin, the taxable value of each tin. Question number 3. The taxable value of each tin is how much? It is given rupees 2800. The taxable value of each tin is given, children. So with the help of this you should calculate. Therefore the taxable value of 2 tins is how much? Rupees 2800 into 2, which is rupees 5600. Okay. The rate of GST is also given, so write that one. The rate of GST is how much? 28%. But you have to calculate the amount of CGST. If the rate of GST is 28%, so therefore the rate of CGST, you can say CGST, or you can say the rate of SGST. It is same, children. So half of 28 is 14%. So we have the rate of GST. With the help of that you got the rate of CGST and the SGST. It is how much? 14%. But as per the question we have to calculate the amount. Right? Amount of the CGST and SGST. Simple it is. Therefore the amount of CGST, or you can say the amount of SGST is equal to what? 14% of which amount? 5600. 14% of 5600. So this is 14%. So 14 upon 100 of means multiply. This is 5600. This 20 get cancelled and then multiply. 14 6 so 84 and 78. Right? 14 6 are 84, 8, 14 5 are 70 and 8 78. So this is the amount for CGST as well as the amount for SGST is 784. But if I will ask you a question, what is the amount of GST? Then what you will do? you should add the amount of CGST and the amount of SGST, means 784 plus 784 total is the amount of GST. So this is about your question number 3. Now question number 4, right? See what is given in question number 4. Again, it's very simple sum. The taxable value of wristwatch. See, from this exercise they can ask you question for 2 marks and 3 marks, children. Okay. Now taxable value of wristwatch belt is rupees 586. Like in previous sum, taxable value of each tin is given. Right. Same thing here. The taxable value of wristwatch belt is given 586. The GST is 18%. Then what is the price of the belt for the customer? So customer has to pay the taxable amount. Also he has to pay the GST on that wristwatch belt. So first we will calculate how much GST he paid. Okay. So first what you will write here, children, the taxable value of the taxable value of wristwatch belt. Wristwatch belt is how much, children? Here it is 586. 586. And the rate of GST? The rate of GST is given 18%. The rate of GST is 18%. Got it? Now calculate the amount of GST. Therefore, the amount of GST, it is 18% of 586. 18% of 586. So 18 upon 100 into 586. Clear? Now 18 upon 100. If you will divide this, so 18 multiplied by, I am dividing this with 100. 586 upon 100. So how much you will get? 5.86. Then you multiply this. So 18 6 are 108. 10. 18 8s are 144 and 10 154. So 15. 18 5s are 90. 90 and 15. So 10. 105. Okay. 2 digits. So it is 105.48. Again, children, just multiply. 18 6 are how much? 108. So 8 is here and 10 carry. 18 8s are 144. 144 and 10 154. So 15 carry. 18 5s are 90 and 15. So 10. So 105.48. So this is the tax. This is a GST amount he has to pay. Got it? 105.48 is the GST amount. The question is, what is price of the belt for the customer? So for the customer, he has to pay this amount and this amount. So here what you will write? The price of the belt. The price of the belt for the customer, right now it is customer. So GST amount, sorry, this one 105.48 and taxable amount. Taxable amount plus GST. So taxable amount is how much? 586 plus 105.48. Add these two, how much you will get? 0.48 then 5 and 6 11, 0 8 9, and 1 plus 6 691, 6 and 5 11, 809, 516. So this is the amount the customer has to pay to the shopkeeper, and it is the price of the bed for the customer. Okay.